welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, hey love, my name is Gabby and I would love it if you subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be reorganizing my room. Really not my whole room, just like my clothes, and I'm going to show you guys like how I'm cleaning up my drawers. I don't know. I really have never known how to say that word. It's going to take everything out, reorganize it so everything can fit, declutter, throw some things away. Like I just need to fix my room and I wanted to film it, bring you guys along with me. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So this is currently what my drawer looks like. There's dresses in here, there's like bralettes in here, there's tanks in here, shirts, there's just some of everything in there. So as I take it out, I'm gonna make different piles on my bed. So I'm gonna make like a pile for dresses, a pile for bralettes, a pile for tanks, shirts that I know that I'm going to hang up in my closet, dresses I'm also going to hang up. So I'm just going to put everything in a pile, but I'm taking it all out of my drawers. So that's the first thing that I'm going to do. Trying to chase the wind like a fleeting shroud, longing for change, we're fighting for legends, we're longing for change, we're fighting for legends. Okay guys, so I have all of my drawers empty. Now I'm going to start loading my stuff back into my drawers. But I ordered these like organizers from Amazon, so like these little square boxes to put in my drawers. I'm gonna use, I believe, these big ones for like my shirts. So I'm going to hang like my long sleeve shirts and also like my pretty like dressy shirts, and then keep the really casual crop tops and like tanks and all that in the drawer. But I'm going to separate it with this big old crate thing, and I have two of them. So I'm gonna put like my crops and tanks and everything in one, and then my casual like short sleeve shirts in another one. So let's get at it. Okay guys, so it's literally been like 3 hours and I've only gone through this dresser over here, but I'm going to move to my dresser back there and do the same thing. I'm just going to show you guys what I do. Alright guys, so I'm probably going to pick up on the rest of this tomorrow because it's getting pretty late and pretty dark and I'm so tired. Like I've been doing this all day. It's better for you guys, but it's been all day for me. So gonna pick up tomorrow where I left off and finish everything in the mañana.
Giant small thing, a tremble in the clouds, trying to chase the wind like a fleeting shroud. A longing for change, we're fighting for legends. We're longing for change, we're fighting for legends. You and me, oh dance for the world to see. You and me, when our hearts are filled, there's nothing we can't be. Aren't you feeling little raw marginal lesion in your soul? Stay rooted in your claws. Are you afraid of ghosts? Longing for change, we're fighting for legends. Longing for change, we're fighting for legends. You and me, oh dance for the world to see. You and me, when our hearts are filled, there's nothing we can't be. Oh, 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 you and me, oh dance for the world to see. You and me, when our hearts are filled, there's nothing we can't be. Aren't you a giant small thing, a tremble in the clouds, trying to chase the wind like a fleeting shroud? A longing for change, we're fighting for legends. We're longing for change, we're fighting for legends. You and me, oh dance for the world to see. You and me, when our hearts are filled, there's nothing we can't be. Aren't you feeling little raw marginal lesion in your soul? Stay rooted in your claws. Are you afraid of ghosts? Longing for change, we're fighting for legends. Longing for change.
Alright guys, I'm finally done. That is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment down below if you want to see more organization type videos and I will do them. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching as always and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.